Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh?
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please do hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a single upload. So quickly going to recap yesterday's episode of Yajola 99, which is 2nd August 2020. So we have Thandeka, who is 35 years old. She's been dating her bae for over 2 years, but lately the relationship is not as pleasant or as rosy as it used to be, as the guy's phone is always off and sometimes he does not sleep at home, and some days he always promises to come see her but he doesn't. Okay, and then another red flag for her is that they haven't been intimate for over 2 years, and that doesn't seem to, not for over 2 years, I mean for over 30 days, and that doesn't seem to bother the guy. So of course Jub did some investigations and came back with the results to confirm the girl's suspicions, and as usual he always asks that, since now you know what is going on, do you want us to go and confront your guy as he is currently there at the side bay, or you'll deal with it privately? So the girl did want to go and confront. So while they are on their way to the place and Thandeka sees the area they're going to, she does reveal to Jub that how this side is the new houses. So I guess he leaves me in the township, the hood where we both come from, just to come and cheat all the way this side, new houses. Maybe ngapha uletha new levels. Okay, so as soon as they get to the place, they knock at the door, and then the side chick decided to open the door. So when she opens the door and saw my camera, Thandeka could not believe the girl. Okay, apparently the girl is Thandeka's friend. Okay, so we did not get into detail as to how deep their friendship was, but the side chick immediately ran to the bedroom and shut the door. Okay, she just didn't want to be shown on camera. And then the guy on the other hand, who is Thandeka's boyfriend, is now also fighting Thandeka, because Thandeka decided to grab her man and beat the hell out of him. So they did detain her, and then the guy was also fighting back. Okay, so everyone is asking that, why are you fighting ugel wako back? Okay, and then the guy is now, instead of explaining what is going on, he's now insulting Thandeka, saying that you are disrespectful. Why are you disrespectful? You will get what is coming to you for doing this. Okay, so Jub did go and rush to the bedroom. He tried to convince the girl to come out of the bedroom, but she just didn't want to have it. Instead of, they both kept on talking with each other, Jub and the side chick, in the passage while she was behind her door in her bedroom. Okay, so she didn't want to go out. She says that she has known Ugai for many years. They were schoolmates, they come from school together, and they've been dating for a while now, because of the guy also told him that he has problems with his relationship and the guy doesn't love Thandeka anymore. Okay, so Thandeka is saying that the guy did not tell me that he doesn't love me anymore or doesn't want to be with me anymore, hence I am here. If he had told me to my face, then I would know where I stand with him. Okay, but he chose to come here, and then as my friend, how could you do this to me? So the friend is like, I don't know, owe you anything. Okay, so of course Thandeka and the side chick are now swearing at each other, doing a back and forth, while the side chick is in the bedroom, guys. She was basically shouting from the bedroom. The girl just didn't want to be shown on camera. Okay, Thandeka also revealed to her friend, who is currently sleeping with her boyfriend, that your husband as well, or is it the boyfriend, your man as well, has also asked me many times to go out with him. He has asked me out on a date many times, but I have rejected him because of, you are my friend and I'm a good woman, I cannot do that to another woman. But as soon as my man asked you out, you didn't think twice to betray me. What kind of person are you? Okay, so of course girl is saying like, I didn't ask you, Mina, not to be with him when he asked you out. Yes, Mina, I am with your man, but he told me that you guys are not together, are no longer in love and have issues. And another thing, if you were giving it to him every day, he wouldn't be here, so it's your fault that he is here with me. I give him everything, I please him as a man is supposed to be pleased. Like guys, it was drama. Okay, so when when they asked Guy to choose between the two girls, he kept on mumbling, touching there and touching there, swearing and insulting Ujubjubu and the crew, also insulting Gelwake, telling the girl that, you know what, do as you wish, you disrespected me, I can't believe you do this, why couldn't you just talk to me privately? Girl had to explain that you always say you're going to come each time you promise to come see me, but you never come, so where was I supposed to get the chance to even ask you? And we haven't been intimate for a while. So the side chick is saying, yeah, that is why Mosi, he gets it, he gets it here every day. So when the situation is trying to calm down, they ask Guy, why are you here? The guy says that I came here to sell insurance. So everyone is like, insurance every day because of you're always here. Hey, the insurance here every day. That is a lot. Okay, so the guy even got as angry as asking asking Jub that, Jub, when you had your drama with Ukeli Kumalo, did we ever interfere in your business? But you're out here interfering with people's business. Who interfered with your business, Ukeli Kumalo? He also said, you know what, I think I should go to Home Affairs and look for a job for you, Jub. You need to go and work at Home Affairs. I will personally go and ask them to, employ you. So he even said to Jub, as a guy, have you never cheated before? Why are you out here acting like a good Samaritan, Mr. Perfect? Jub did explain that, yes, I have cheated before, but that is all in the past. I learned from my mistake. That's why we are here. We are not here to fight, but to make sure that you guys can resolve my issues when, okay? So girl is now, which is Uthandega, saying, you know what, I think I got what I came here for. I don't want you anymore. I am done with you. So suddenly the guy took a whole U-turn. He went from being head over heels, swearing Ugeli, Uthandega telling him that, you know what, do as you please, to now saying, you know what, my love, can we go and talk outside privately? And then as soon as the side chick had that, because she was in the bedroom and she also had claimed that, you know what, I also don't want your man anymore, take him. As soon as he had the man now pleading not Sandek, suddenly I guess that drove her crazy, or she was expecting the guy to choose her. Suddenly now she's throwing the crew outside, like, get out of my house, okay? I need to go to town to buy furniture for my place. Pelamina, I have a house unlike this Tandega of yours. So Tandega is like, yes, you have a house and everything, but I have morals and manners, okay? I would never stoop low as to be a guy's sometimes meal, a guy's when I'm born board plate, okay? You chose that life. I'd rather have no home but have my morals and dignity than have a house which is a house to let for men, okay? So when they went out, the guy follows girl Tandega and says like, please, can we talk? Tandega is not having it, okay? Even the crew is now separating the guy from Tandega because now he's grabbing her, wanting to talk to her, and Tandega doesn't want to hear it. So Tandega went straight into the car, no jubu. So the side chick in the house, I don't know what drove her crazy or whatever, she just suddenly now came out of the bedroom, took a bowl of water, was it a bucket, came straight out running. So I don't know if she was going to pour Jubu or Utandega or the guy Ngamanzi. But then the crew blocked her before she could get anywhere, so she went back to the house, and then Tandega left with Ujubjubu, leaving her man behind. So you don't know what the future holds for the relationship, but the girl claims that, you know what, she's happy she got the answer she was looking for, and then she's done with the relationship, and then she's going to take her time to heal and recover and reflect before she can think of a new relationship. So guys, in other news, Kelly Kumalo and Jub are currently trending on Twitter because of the statement the guy said about have I ever interfered with your drama? No, Kelly Kumalo. So they are currently trending #1 because of yesterday's episodes. Apart from that, man, age infertility is a serious issue in our community. So anyway guys, do comment below if you've seen the trend, and do share your thoughts in the comment sections below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next upload. Cheers for now.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh?